Hey guys, Paul from JCR Chassis Works here. Thought I'd take a minute, make a quick video showing our 04 style chromoly tube fabricated pedal for the 2004 to 2006 GTOs. It's for the guys that have the drive-by-wire pedal in the 05 and 06 cars and want to change it over to cable drive or linkage and get rid of that drive-by-wire pedal. Or if you have an 04 pedal and you just want a great looking lightweight fabricated pedal, well, this is for you then. We have a stop here with a lock nut that sets the minimum travel. I have the bolt tight so it's not flopping around while we're talking about it, but normally this is smooth operation. But the stop sets the minimum pedal travel, so when you have it installed, your cable has just a slight amount of tension on it, so it's not floppy. Or if you're using that factory style attachment, that it doesn't end up coming out or something, because you wouldn't want the pedal just to drop all the way down. But it mounts in the same location as the factory pedal did. It's adjustable left and right. You could also turn it a little bit if you needed to. And if you have the factory pedal in the car, you would just cut it off right down that seam right there. Just cut the drive-by-wire pedal off, or the 04 pedal, which this is, obviously. You would just cut this off and then put our pedal in its place. But anyway, this is the pedal. This is our mock-up prototype pedal. It's just puff can black. We didn't go to the trouble to powder coat it or anything, but yours would be powder coated. And it comes with the hardware, it comes with what you need. If you need a different style attachment point up here, let us know. We can do that. If you need it turned straight up for a clevis style, you need a different size hole. This is the factory size hole and attachment here. If you want to run linkage to a carburetor or something, and you want this moved up a little higher, you can give us those numbers and we can accommodate that. We cut all this stuff in-house. And we do the CAD files and the cut files for everything. So if we need to make a change, we could. If you want it set back some, if you want the pedal back towards the driver some more, we can move that. Probably just a minimal cost to do some of those modifications. If you want this welded on at a 90 degree, that's no charge. Simple little things we'll just do. If you're interested, let us know. Give us a call here at the shop, 352-821-FAST during normal business hours, and we'll get you taken care of. The cost on this pedal is $300 plus the shipping. Thanks, guys.